Simon's turn. Simon's the second one. Hi, Simon. Look at here, Simon and Loki. Look at here. Simon. The other one. Inday. Okay, all are fresh. So these two kids, these two dogs. Simon. 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 Oh, don't jump, Simon. Just behave like Loki. Do not jump. Loki is almost falling down. Don't move. Don't move. Simon, you occupy all the space. Simon, give space to Loki. Simon. Simon is here, sitting down. Okay, Simon, lay down, lay down. Simon. Simon. Can you bark? Simon, bark. Simon. Handsome Simon. Can you see Simon? He's looking around. Hi, Simon. What are you waiting for? Simon. Oops. What are you doing? Simon, what are you doing? Just stand by. Stay. Sit. This is Loki. Simon. Okay, relax, Simon. You're already fresh. Good. Simon. Don't jump, Loki. Simon, do you need help, Simon? No fighting. Simon, do you need help? Huh? Do you need help? Oh, they are best friends. Yeah, Simon and Loki are best friends. They're not fighting. See? Can you see that? Good boys? Good boys. Good boy, Simon.